Let me ask you something. Have you ever walked into someone's home, seen all their lush houseplants and thought, wow, I'd love that, but plants are just so expensive? Well, guess what? You don't need to spend a fortune to fill your home with greenery. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get beautiful, thriving houseplants for little to no cost at all. From simple cuttings to natural offshoots, these tips will help you grow your collection without emptying your wallet. Stick around, you're gonna love this. Let's start with one of the easiest plants to propagate, Pothos. This trailing air purifying plant is a favorite among beginners and experienced plant lovers alike. To get one for free, ask a friend or family member for a 4 to 5 inch stem cutting with a few leaves. These cuttings root super quickly in water or soil, and before you know it, you'll have a thriving plant that's ready to decorate any corner of your home. Another excellent plant for propagation is the Philodendron. This plant is very similar to Pothos in terms of care, but it comes in a wider variety of shapes and sizes. All you need is a stem cutting, ideally one with a few nodes where roots can grow. Place the cutting in water, and within a few weeks, you'll have roots ready for planting. They grow beautifully in water as well, making them a versatile option for any setup. If you're looking for something with a pop of color, consider the anthurium, commonly called the painter's palette. Its vibrant waxy flowers or bracts come in shades of red, pink, or white, making a stunning centerpiece. If you know someone who has one, ask for its offsets or pups, which are small plants growing from the base. These are easy to separate and can thrive in both water and soil, giving you multiple display options. For a hardy low-maintenance plant, the snake plant is a perfect choice. This plant can survive in almost any condition, making it ideal for beginners. To get one, ask for a leaf cutting or a pup from the base of the mature plant. You can even divide an overgrown plant into smaller sections and repot them. It's one of the easiest plants to propagate, so don't hesitate to ask around. Do you already have an aloe vera at home? Good news! Aloe vera naturally produces offsets, also known as pups, at its base. You can carefully remove these pups and plant them in separate pots to grow new plants. It's not just a free way to grow your collection, it's also a fantastic way to have a supply of aloe for skin and health benefits. Now let's talk about the spider plant, known for its long arching leaves and adorable baby spiderettes that dangle from the parent plant. If you've seen these hanging in someone's home, don't hesitate to ask for a few spiderettes. All you have to do is to plant them directly in soil and they'll root quickly, giving you a new plant in no time. The Chinese money plant, also called pilea, is known for its charming round leaves and reputation for bringing good luck. This plant propagates itself by growing baby plants or pups at its base. Simply remove these pups carefully and plant them in fresh soil to start new plants. If you're drawn to trailing plants, English ivy is a classic choice. To propagate it, take a stem cutting with at least 2 sets of leaves. You can dip the cut end into rooting hormone to speed up the process. Then plant it in soil or place it in water until roots form. This versatile plant can climb walls, trail from hanging baskets, or even grow indoors. For a tropical vibe, consider bromeliads. Known for their stunning ornamental flowers, these plants produce pups at the base once they mature. You can easily separate the pups from the mother plant and pot them individually. They're perfect for adding a splash of vibrant color to your space. If you love dramatic variegated leaves, the dumb cane or Dieffenbachia is a wonderful option. To grow one, ask for a 4 to 6 inch stem cutting from someone who has a mature plant. Dip the cutting in rooting hormone, plant it in soil, and watch it thrive in bright, indirect light. The Chinese evergreen, or Aglaonema, is another low-maintenance plant that's easy to multiply. This plant naturally produces suckers, which are small shoots growing beneath the soil. Simply remove a sucker, plant it in fresh soil, and you'll have a new plant in no time. Finally, there's the alocasia, a bold and beautiful plant known for its large, striking leaves. Alocasias propagate themselves by producing offsets at the base of the plant. These offsets can be separated and potted on their own, giving you a free addition to your collection. And that's it, plant friends! You don't have to break the bank to grow your indoor jungle. From cuttings to offsets, there are so many ways to get new plants for free. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more budget-friendly plant tips. Happy planting, and I'll see you next time.